Hey guys, so today I have the new First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. And I was super excited about this. First Aid Beauty recently came out with this at Sephora. And then they also released a conditioning eye makeup remover at Ulta, which I haven't used eye makeup yet since my LASIK. It's been over a week, so I'll probably start trickling in eye makeup. But I haven't messed with it too much, but the ingredient list does look really good. And I swatched on my hand. It seemed pretty simple eye makeup remover that has some good beneficial ingredients in it. And then you remove your eye makeup and then can continue cleansing. So far that one looks exciting. The toner I've used once now, and I was really excited about it. The ingredient list is pretty solid. However, they include Ethylhexyl Salicylate, which is oxidate for sunscreen, which I'm assuming they included this because that ingredient can help skin absorption. So for toner, that would be a good thing. However, I just can't stand that sunscreen scent. And after you apply it, that sunscreen scent kind of sticks around for a while. So it's pretty bummed. Overall, I like the formula. Otherwise, I just can't stand that scent. It's got a nice kind of milky texture to it. It absorbs nicely into your skin. Really does feel hydrating. Definitely helps other ingredients or other products that you apply afterwards absorb nicely. But I can't get over that scent, and it lingers a while. And it's just kind of that chemical scent that reminds you of going to the beach. And I don't mind it in like a sunscreen because it's a chemical sunscreen. It always has a little bit of a chemical scent, although I do kind of drift away from ones that really have that chemical scent to it. I'd almost rather include a little bit of fragrance to overdo it as opposed to that chemical scent because it just sticks around. And for some reason, for me, it's always been annoying to me. And even after washing my face last night, I still could kind of smell that scent from using it just in the morning. So little bummed, although if you don't have a sensitive nose or if that scent doesn't bother you so much, it's a really good toner. Otherwise, it's got a lot of good beneficial ingredients, oat, honey. It's got some, let me see, I was going to print off the list, but it's got honey in there, oat, propolis, feverfew extract, beta-glucan, licorice, radish root. So it's really got some good ingredients. It doesn't have alcohol in there. It doesn't have any fragrance, but it just, for some reason, that and it's toward the very end of the ingredient list, that sunscreen, which is, I'm sure they included it because it does help absorption into skin, but I just can't get over it. So sadly for me, this is like one of the First Aid Beauty firsts that I've tried it and probably am never going to try it again. So I thought I would do my review in the bathroom because it's not like a month-long study that I've tried it twice a day for a month. I only used it once and definitely just can't get over that scent. However, if you don't have a sensitive nose or if that scent doesn't bother you, definitely worth checking out. I just have other toners that I like a little bit better. Hi, Lincoln. Lincoln is big into scents. I don't know, does he? No, he's detecting the thing on there. There. Oh, he's really getting into that. He loves like perfume samples. He'll always dig into those and things. He's really into that. I don't know. Is that like a scientific study or what? You thirsty? No, not thirsty. Anyway, so it's kind of my thoughts on it. If you definitely don't have a sensitive nose, worth picking up, or maybe check out the eye makeup remover instead. Love First Aid Beauty. Their Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum still is probably my #1 favorite beauty product of all time. So if you're thinking about checking out First Aid Beauty, maybe check this one out if you haven't tried it instead of the alcohol-free toner. Or if you have tried it and just want to try something new, definitely go for it. But anyway, love First Aid Beauty. Love what else they're going to come out with next. This just was not a winner in my opinion. So anyway, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Well, I will announce the winner of the giveaway. And I will see you tomorrow. And thank you guys so much.